filming Saturday. It's not really Saturday. Ah! I'm filming early. Oh, I think I'm doing something Saturday. I'm sure I am. I just don't remember what it is. Okay. Anyway, we have The Most Wonderful Christmas, right? By Kitten Stitcher. And this is Teresa, I'm going to pronounce her name wrong, Teresa Colgan. Another wonderful designer that I have met, and I love her designs, true artist. And she was at the Jingle Ball? She was at the Jingle Ball, but I did not take her class. However, I do have many things by her, because again, I went to the Silver Needle retreat when she was there, and I'm going to tell you, I spent money, okay? And Caterpillar, cross stitch, Stitchybox. Oh, and this lovely. Okay, we're gonna open these last. Ooh, Day 14, Black Needle Society. Look how gorgeous the envelope is. Okay, let's see. We're floating in the moonlit sky. That's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. We have something we all need. DMC 310. I bet most of you knew that number if you haven't. And then we have one. 168. And it is in the gray range. Gray. You can never have too many of this. We all know this. We all know this. And you got a cute little box. You know what I have to do next year. You have to fill up this box and give it to somebody. We didn't use the whole iPad thing. I'm not sure which way we need to turn this. But we'll figure it out. Oh, that's Bode. He's chirping away. I think he just wanted to tell me while he ate. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Ah! I love gingerbread. I love gingerbread people. Gingerbread people. People? Yes, because we don't know if they're, it's a gingerbread. We don't know. Oh, he didn't break. Okay, I'm so cute. Beeswaxer, a merry little waxer to keep your threads in line. Okay, I do use a little bit of wax, especially if you're using Chronic. I've heard people say Chronic. I've heard people say Chronic. But if you're using one of those sparkly threads, DMC has some, and you're using that with another piece of cotton floss, or like 2 pieces of cotton floss, and I feel that really helps with that texture. Oh, you heard me. See, I got excited, so he got excited. Isn't this the cutest little wax you've ever seen? Isn't that just the cutest little... Is it a gingerbread man? Is it gingerbread? It's like kind of like a clown. We love gingerbread. We don't love clowns. We love gingerbread. Yes, we do. Oh, I guess I should move it. But beeswax. Let's see what we have here. We know about, I was talking about how we're always trying to, like, different stitchers collect different things. Fabric, floss, what have you. I'm very about needle minders and the stickers. I don't want to tear the sticker. I just don't want to tear the sticker. I'm sorry. It's a thing. It's a thing. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh my gosh, she knows. Oh, Teresa knows me well because it came with its own sticker. Like, as I'm trying not to tear. She's on Patreon. She has an Etsy shop. This is funny because no matter what I do, part of it's going to be upside down and backward. Cross stitch chart, Sweet Moon. Oh, Sweet Moon. Okay, I'm going to have to look at that. Isn't that? I told you I really love printed out charts. I know Pattern Keeper people, you count your stitches. I think it's awesome. She has DMC and a couple weeks dye works. And it says, oh, sweet moon, shine so bright. Help me guide my sleigh tonight. You got little reindeer. See the little reindeer? Okay, this I'm not giving away. Some of these gifts I'm giving to my fellow stitchers. Because I've been blessed with meeting some wonderful people in the industry and just, you know, cross stitchers like myself. I've met model stitchers who stitch the models, and I'm just like, oh, it's like being around famous people almost. Black Needle Society. Now, Black Needle Society does have a little book that can tell you what something is, but the nice way, I can only do the date on that date. There's a naughty list that I taped. The naughty list, you can open the book. You can open the book and read all the descriptions. Ah, no. See, it says open the naughty list. But that way upside down people will get those upside down. We are not going to be naughty. Although I am, because I'm filming ahead of schedule. Because you know, Bode's just chirping away being good. Ink circles! Ink circles! Ink circles! Ink circles. Is this a stitcher's dream that we wish we all had? That we wish we were octopi? It's an octopus with the little red mittens. I think, did we get the fabric for this? Water lily linen. We did. We did get the water lily linen. We did. Okay, I can't show you the back because it has the pattern. Do you remember day 12? We received this wonderful 32 water linen. This says 11. No, that's one. Okay, I was going to give you 11. No, it's 111 width by 111 width, which is 8 by 8 on 32 count. And you know what? You know what else I noticed? Okay, I'm trying to show you the part I can show you. Over here. Do you notice Classic Colorworks Caribbean Waters, River Rocks, Balsam Fir, Peapod, and Hollyberry? Didn't we just open that up the other day? So it goes together. I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Now see, day 12, I stitched a couple days ago. No, not stitch. Sorry, open. Like to show you. Is that it? Is that all we have? Am I missing anything? No, I'm not. Oh my gosh! Ink circles! Ollie builds a reef. Ollie the octopus. Get it? Get it? Ollie the octopus. I love ink circles. They have like this fun, festive way of charts. And this is, you know, an exclusive with the Black Needle Society. So, that was day, what day? 14. Yes, 14. 14. 14. 14. 14. Happy holidays.